Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, are so many things to talk about. First off, all of this stuff, amazing. Great deals at Target this week. Good deals over at Walmart. I'm gonna walk you through all of it. I'm also gonna tell you the meals that I'm making for this week, but there's little tidbits that I have to share with you kind of throughout the video. So definitely stay tuned because lots of good information in this video. I also want to tell you, thank you. Everyone responded to my question about like which platform you watch me on. And so that information was really helpful for me to see who's seeing what from which direction. So I appreciate you taking the time to do that. But also because there were so many comments, the video actually did better. So I really appreciate that. I know before I started this, I didn't really know much about YouTube, but the more you comment and you're liking and engaging with my content, the more YouTube pushes it out to other people. And so, of course, I appreciate that because that helps me. And it helps more people to save money. So I love that. Let's start with Target first. I know a lot of you said you don't even shop Walmart, so you watch for my Target video specifically. And some people were the exact opposite. But there were amazing deals at Target this week. Let me talk you through a few of the ones I did. The Barilla pasta, especially if you're brand specific, this is a great deal. It's $1.99. That's the regular price. There is a 50-cent digital coupon. So I did pay $1.49 at the register. But then I used the Makina app that I've talked to you guys about before, where I got another 25 cents back, making my final cost $1.24. Normally my stock up price for pasta is under $1, but this is not a bad deal for this brand. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Makina is an app that has like fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as more organic products. So if that's how you shop, definitely grab the app, use my referral code because that will help you out. And I believe I get $1, if you're wondering, I get $1 for each person that I refer who then goes on to use the app. The pasta sauce was an even better deal. Now, the ragu is $1.99, but there's a 20% off Target Circle offer. So I picked up 2 of them. And after that 20% off Target Circle, I paid $3.18 for both of them. But there is a swag box offer for $2 back when you buy 2. So that dropped my final cost down to $1.18 or just 59 cents each. Now, I tell you all the time, Swagbucks can't be combined with other offers. Now, I went back and forth on this, but I feel like a Target Circle offer, it's not a manufacturer coupon, so to me it was like a store discount. So I didn't feel wrong about combining it with that store discount. My receipt went through right away, got the $2, so 59 cents seems like a stock up price for pasta sauce, especially if you like ragu. Now, let's talk about this Lysol sanitizer. Lots of deals on this lately. Now, my store was tagged at $6.99, but they rang up $5.99. So your store, I can't tell you what it will do, but all I can tell you is mine said $6.99, but when I went to the register to check out, it rang $5.99. Purchased 2 of them. They're on promotion for buy 2, get a $5 gift card, but there's also a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. So I bought 2 at $5.99. I got the $5 gift card at checkout, as well as $3 back on Ibotta, $1.50 back on each, leaving my final cost to be $3.98 or just $1.99 each. I bought this originally because there was a deal, and now I actually really like it in my laundry. Let's talk about another laundry deal. I'm going to tell you 2 different ways of doing this. One is the simple way, one is the way I did it. So these Snuggle 120 sheets, these are $5.99. Purchase 2 of them. There's a $1.25 off digital coupon. So you'll pay $10.73. You'll get back a $5 gift card, leaving your final cost to be $5.73 or just $2.86 each. Now, to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't do that deal because I can get them cheaper. And I did get them cheaper, so let me tell you exactly what I did. Y'all know I use the Field Agent app, which is where you can do like buy and try, or you can take pictures. Basically, you're like an agent in the field for the app where you do certain tasks and then they pay you for those tasks as well as reimburse you for any products that they had you purchase. I've been using the app for a while. I love it. I will drop a link down below if you want to join. Of course, it's free, and then you choose which tasks you want to do or which products you want to purchase to review. I do highly recommend the app. I've had 0 issues with them. But I noticed there was a buy and try for this big ol' snuggle. This is the blue sparkle, but these are on promotion for the buy 2 get a $5 gift card. So I picked the big snuggle up at $9.99. Okay. Then I picked up one of these because it's buy 2 get a $5 Target gift card. I'm going to be reimbursed for the cost of the snuggle because it's a field agent product. So I did have a 20% off coupon for this. It was already clipped, so it did come off, and I paid $13.36 for both of them. I got the $5 gift card back, as well as be reimbursed for the full cost of this item, which was $8.62. So that ended up making both of my items completely free and a 26-cent moneymaker. So Field Agent, pretty cool app. I don't use it a ton because I'm so busy with work, but every once in a while when I see a deal like this, I definitely jump on it. And they've had like a buy and try for Little Caesars pizza. So I had a Little Caesars pizza delivered to my home, and I did a little review on that process, got a free pizza, and I got paid for my review. So definitely check out the app. I'll drop the link below. Now, another program I use is called Social Nature. Completely free. They send you coupons that you use at the register to get products for free. It's like a free box or a free bag or whatever it is. You get the product for free, but then you review the product within 2 weeks. So I picked up both the Belgian Boys product as well as this squeezable smoothie product using my Social Nature coupons this week. Now, if you want to join Social Nature, again, completely free, I'll drop a link down below for you to check it out. The downside is, and I need to email Social Nature, I have not yet, the coupon that I got said redeemable at Target. So, of course, I did this deal at Target. But when I got to the register, it wouldn't scan. It actually said, like, Target doesn't accept this coupon or something. So the sweet lady, and she is incredibly sweet. I love her. She's there all the time. She just pushed it through for me. And so I need to email Social Nature and let them know, because that's frustrating for people when the coupon won't work, and not every cashier is going to push it through. They might just tell you, hey, I can't take this because the computer's telling me I can't take it. So I will provide Social Nature with that feedback. I haven't had that happen to me very much, but it does happen every once in a while. More Target. The Halloween food, so like cereal and cookies and clearly these goldfish, they were all marked 70% off at my store. I only purchased one thing. I purchased this big old thing of goldfish for $2.69. So definitely check your store. Sadly, they salvaged all of the merchandise at my store. It never went 90% off for me. And the Kraft. So I bought this a couple of times, but it actually got cheaper this week because instead of it being $8 and something, it was $7.89. It was a little bit cheaper, just store price. But Shopkick is still giving $4 back. So it made my final cost just $3.89 for this big old thing of the ready mac and cheese. Not a bad deal. If you're not using Shopkick yet, grab it using this referral code because you'll get an additional $5, which is pretty cool. I think that was, not everything. I have the toothpaste, but other than that, I think that was everything at Target this week. So the toothpaste, I picked up 3 of these. I literally did not have room on my table to put all 3 of them, but I did. It's like right over there. I did purchase 3 of them because they're on promotion for getting a $5 gift card, and there was a huge, I bought a rebate. So just double check and make sure that rebate is still there. Picked up 3 at $6.99. I had a $1 digital coupon. I paid $19.97 at the register. I got back a $5 gift card from Target. I'm going to get back $1 from coupons.com app. I submitted, it just hasn't processed yet. I got back $12 on Ibotta, $4 for each of them. And then $1.25 on my Fetch Rewards app. So that made my final cost for all 3 of them 72 cents. Now I know we get toothpaste for free all the time. Would I pay 72 cents? Probably not. But some of you, that may be a fantastic deal, so I wanted to share that deal with you all. Now, quickly, let me tell you about the meals I'm making this week, and then I'll tell you about the Walmart deals. So another crazy week. We have stuff going on almost every evening, so I needed super quick prep. I was by myself on Monday night, so I had a dinner alone both Sunday night and Monday night, so it was a little different. But I made that sweet green salad again, and I love it. But this smallest bag of kale I could find, it was bigger than my head. The bag is huge. So I'll probably be making something with kale later in the week. I'm also I made vegetable soup last night, which was really good. I altered it a little bit, so I need to get back on my website and show you how I altered it. I gave my son a grilled cheese sandwich with it. Tonight, I'm not sure. I have teriyaki chicken and that cauliflower rice that we got last week from Shopkick. I'm going to do a shrimp stir fry because I have some a stir fry veggie kit in my freezer that I'm trying to get stuff out of my freezer. And then a white bean and avocado wrap. I have some cabbage left in my fridge, and purple cabbage, and I love that avocado, and it's like purple cabbage and carrots and cilantro. It's delicious. So I'm going to make that this week as well. I know I'm moving quick. I truly have an eye doctor appointment that I have to get to, so I'm trying to get through this as fast as I can. Walmart deals. Okay, I hit the Ibotta bonus for the free turkey, up to $14. So I need to go get that. It also unlocked a new bonus. I think I have to redeem 4 offers in order to unlock some free side dishes for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to look into doing some of those deals today, probably over at HB. Not a bad deal. I think I had to get 32 offers to get the free turkey. Would I have done it just for the turkey? Probably not. But clearly I made it to the bonus anyway, so why not? I'll pick up the turkey. Let's talk about the deals I did. I did the Lay's deal again because it's a moneymaker. These are $1.48. You buy 2 of them, you get back $3.48 on Ibotta, making it free, and a 52-cent moneymaker. Now check your coupons.com app. I know some people have like a $3 offer when they purchase 5 products. I didn't have that on my coupons.com app. Maybe I've already used it. I honestly can't remember, but it wasn't there for me when I checked this week. I also picked up the Doritos again because it was like a buy one, get one free offer, but I picked up the 3D Doritos because I had another offer on Fetch Rewards. So I picked up 2 of the Doritos 3D at $3.98. I got back $3.98 on Ibotta, and then I got back $2.50 on Fetch. So that made it $1.48 for both bags, or 74 cents each. This was a super simple Ibotta deal. The Lipton teas are $1.98. You get 50 cents back on Ibotta, making it $1.48. Same with the Knorr. I picked up 2 Knorr rice sides at $1.26. That's $2.52. I got back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it $1.77, or just 88 cents each. Check your Shopkick. There was Shopkick offers for these. My Shopkick offer is gone though. So check and see if yours is, or if you still have it. The green beans. This is a new one. These are actually my son's favorite green beans. It's $5.38 for this 4-count pack. But there's an Ibotta offer for, a Shopkick offer for $1.30 back. So that makes it $4.08, or just $1.02 per can. Yes, you can find like non-name brand green beans cheaper than $1 a can. But since this is what he likes, I went ahead and picked it up. Plus, our school is doing like a food drive for Thanksgiving stuff. So I thought that might be a nice addition to that. And the All, great deal here, $3.47 for this, or $3.74 for this. There was a $2 rebate on Ibotta, as well as $1.25 on coupons.com, and there was no exclusion on Ibotta for being able to combine those. So that made the final cost 49 cents for this detergent. The Soylent drink, finally the Shopkick offer increased to where I would purchase it. These are $2.98 each. There was a Shopkick offer for $2.88 back, making it just 10 cents for this. I think that was everything that I purchased at Walmart. I had promised my son we'd go roller skating last night, and so I was rushing through Walmart as fast as I could to get home to take him out roller skating like I promised. So I probably looked crazy. I was like walking super fast down the aisles, but that was everything I picked up. There was a Shopkick offer, a pretty high one, like over $5 back on Tyson pork, and it was a number of different offers. My store doesn't carry the Tyson brand, so I wasn't able to like price check it, but if that's something you buy, you might want to look into that because the Shopkick offer was 1,300 kicks back, which is just over $5. So you might want to look at picking up that product because great deal. Now, questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop it below. Comments of any nature, don't hesitate to drop below because like I said earlier, it does help get the video out to more people. The last thing I want to tell you about is people have asked me and I keep forgetting, I do still use Brand Club. I do submit my receipts there as far as syncing the app. And I do continue to get money from them for buying products that I'm buying anyway. So I do recommend it because I'm getting money back, little bits here and there. I do still take surveys every once in a while. I noticed I had the Mucinex I bought last week from Target. I got the survey money from that. I think it was $1.75, so that made that an awesome moneymaker. And then I had bought Bird's Eye veggies that I got $2 back on. So if you're not using Brand Club yet, I do have 2 tutorials on it. One is the initial tutorial. The second one is like an updated frequently asked questions tutorial. But you do get $10 if you use my link. And then you actually use the app at Target, Amazon, or Walmart. That is like the sign up bonus that you get for using my link. So definitely check it out. I like it. I know it's not for everyone, but I wanted to throw it out there in case you wanted to check it out. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.